Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be going through the basic do's and don'ts of a beginner's makeup. So yeah, you don't want to directly apply your foundation on your face as a beginner, and the reason why that is because it is simply unhygienic. You don't want to transfer bacteria on your face, so instead you want to take a cotton pad. So this is called a cotton pad, and this is the pack it comes in, and this is a micellar water. So you apply your micellar water on your cotton pad like I'm doing, and you can use it to clean your face, or you can use your wipes as a beginner. Just get baby wipes or facial wipes, or you can use a cotton wool. So take a cotton wool and of course your micellar water, but here I'm using my cotton pads, and you'd be amazed at how much dirt you'd be able to clean off your face. See how much dirt. So next is your lips. You don't want to leave your lips dry when applying your makeup, especially in this harmattan season. Instead, you want to use your lip balm to hydrate your lip before you get to that part. So next is a dirty brush. Obviously you want to use a clean brush, and this is a very clean one. This is how you know if your brush is clean, like the strands of your brush are separated. So this is a very clean brush, and you want to endeavor that you also do not drag your product on your face. See what I'm doing? You don't want to drag your product while applying your powder or your foundation. This will affect the finish of your makeup. Instead, you want to push your product into your face like I'm doing here. Push your foundation into your face and you'll have a flawless finish. Then the next is you don't want to draw the map of Nigeria on your face all in the name of drawing brows. Please make sure that you do not overdo your brows. It doesn't come out nice at the end of the day. Instead, you want to just accentuate your natural brows. You just want to draw light strokes, but before you start drawing light strokes, you just try to trace the shape of your brow like I just did. Then you just fill up the spaces where there are no hairs. That's all you want to do, and you have your very light brows. And when it comes to concealing, please, you want to use the right brush and the right shade. Don't take a concealer that is several shades lighter. Please, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work, especially as a beginner, because you might not be able to blend it. It's really difficult blending something that is not your shade. So at the end of the day, you just get tired and you do not get what you want at the finish. Instead, you'd want to use a concealer that is a shade lighter than you, most preferably, and an angle brush, a flat brush. That is what an angle brush is called. So this flat brush helps you to easily conceal, and while concealing you don't want to take too much product. So I just took little product, and as you're concealing, you are dragging down and you're blending into your skin for the lower part of your brows. Then for the upper part, you don't even need anything. Just take your brush and just take it the way I'm doing in this video, and that's all. Because by the time you start gathering more product on the upper side of your brow, it might be really difficult and it will not give you that natural finish you want to get. So moving on to the lips, we'll be using two colors, the nude color and this wine color. So yeah, now blending is really important when it comes to your lips. See, almost everything about makeup is blending. Once you can blend right, you'll be fine. So yeah, I took the wine first and I'm trying to blend it into my lips that are not moisturized. Remember, I do not moisturize this part, so this is what it does. It makes it really hard to blend when you do not moisturize your lips. And when you don't blend right, this is what you get. It will never be nice at the finish. So instead, you want to come in with the inner colors first, the one you're going to use inside, so on your well moisturized lips. So it just makes it easy, the flow is easy. And you want to clean your brush before you go in with the second color, so that both colors can come out. Because if I did not clean that brush now, the particles of the previous color will not make the new one come out. And once you're done, you want to smack your lips just a little bit, nothing, you don't need to overdo anything, just smack it lightly and you have your blend. So at the end, you might want to go over your face with your powder. You can see the way I'm pushing, and sometimes you might want to dust, especially if you have excess products. You might want to dust off like I'm doing. It's important to know when to dust and when to push in. This is the finish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.